welcome back to my kitchen. Right, today... fucking hurt my neck. Alright, today I decided we're going to take a break from eggs. I know. Stop. I know. Alright, now today we're taking a break from eggs. We're going to try something. I'm getting distracted. We're going to try something just slightly harder than eggs. Steak, actually, it's probably easier. I find cooking steak easier than eggs. Fuck. As you can see right here, I have a lovely, I don't know if you can see, I don't want to drip juice on the floor. I have a lovely sirloin steak. I've left it here for like the last half an hour to reach room temperature. And Uncle Danny is going to teach you how to cook steak. Now, actually, another warning, I don't like butter. So there's going to be no butter fucking dripped on this steak. There's going to be none of that. I don't have garlic either, so it's literally just going to be steak. And I am going to be cooking it to medium rare. So I think let's just get straight into it. Oh my god, look at this as well. Cast iron pan. Ignore why it looks so dirty. I don't fucking know it's dirty. I literally just washed it. Oh my god. Cast iron pan. We're eating good tonight. Right, so first things first, I'm gonna season the steak with some very spicy seasonings, okay? Some very, very spicy seasonings. Alright, I warned you, right? These are gonna be some spicy seasonings. We have salt and pepper. I actually don't know how to season a steak. Do you literally just put it on both sides? I think so. That's what I do normally anyway. So that's what I'm gonna do. Boom. Bit of salt. Not too much. Just a bit. Boom. Bit of pepper. Twist it like you twist your nan's dick. I'm just gonna flip it. Boom. And then we're gonna reverse it. Pepper and then salt. Boom. At your dad in the comment section down below. And tell him to put on the steak. I'm gonna put this on high heat. Methinks 9. Let me open the window actually just in case. Right, so don't worry, alright? Uncle Danny's gonna be here to walk you through. Also, I have chips on the air fryer, so I'm multitasking. This is kind of scary. I'm just gonna put it on now. That feels pretty fucking hot. I'm just gonna go for it. Screw it, dude. Sizzle. I'm gonna wash my hands. I leave it for about 1 minute each side and I flip it about 3 or 4 times. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that baby. You ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing. Boom. Let me get a plate ready just before it's done. Goal! City! Kill! Yes! Come on, City! Second again. Ole, ole. Oh. Nothing better than watching Arsenal bottle it on a Sunday evening. Oh, and like the steak cooking is the best thing that ever happened to me. You know what good it is? Chips are also looking good. I would show you, but I cannot be arsed. Taking it. So we're gonna leave it for about 10 more seconds and then we're gonna flip it again. That'll be the second time on the second side. Sorry, I'm keeping a mental note. You wouldn't know unless you're like the chef. Alright, flip time. Boom! Oh, look at that. You're starting to see the lines. You can see the lines in it. Let me turn on the light. Oh, that looks so much better in the light. Look at it. Ooh, that shit smells good, cool. Smell good, man. Flip time. Boom! Oh, look at that. Oh, I think it might be done. I think it might be done. That might be done. That's just about done. I'm just going to leave it cook on this side for about 20 more seconds. Then I'm going to flip it for another 30 seconds on the other side and then we're done. Oh, my back is sweating. Why the fuck is my back sweating? Yes! Alright, we're going to leave this for about 30 more seconds and we're going to take it fuck off! It's actually getting pretty smoky in here. It's getting pretty smoky in here. I can't breathe. If you die making steak, you die a winner. What you're looking at right now is the meal of a winner. Not yet, actually. Wait for the chips to be done, and then it's going to be the meal of a winner. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, look at that. If you're lying... Oh shit. You are lying to your nan if you say that does not look good. Oh my god, to make it even better as well. Arsenal are gay. Like what? Who was saying I couldn't cook? Who was saying I couldn't cook? There were comments on the poached egg video. Oh, bro's pushing 20 and he can't even cook. Oh yeah? Yeah? Boom, bitch. I'm just gonna take these out now. These look pretty good. Oh, let me sit you down here. Oh. You know, after that poached egg video, I saw comments, specifically from this one user, some absolute geebag with a King Bob profile picture, saying I couldn't cook. Saying I couldn't fucking cook. I can't. What now? Michelin star steak. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, I'm so good. So sexy. I'm so funny as well. Right, I'm actually getting impatient now. I really want to fucking eat this. This, wait for this joke. Cutting takes so long. It's the only beef I have with steak.
Did you laugh?
Hit subscribe and punch your nan if you laughed. Right, I'm gonna take one bite on camera and I'm gonna eat the rest off camera because you don't deserve to watch me eat this. You watch me cook it, that's enough. I've done enough for you. Bon appetit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, that's good. I've completed cooking. I think this is the end of the road for my tutorials. I think I've completed cooking. Once you make a steak, you don't need to make anything else. That's gonna do it for this. I'm gonna go fucking destroy this with my taste buds. Smash subscribe if you would eat this steak. I'm looking at you, King Bob.